everyone, and welcome to art. This is Mrs. Kofelt, your art teacher. I just wanted to give you this recording for class today to get you started with today's lesson. The reason I'm doing a recording is because I'm in a different time zone and everyone will be sleeping during class. My two little daughters, it's like 4 in the morning. So I wanted to make sure that you still had my voice delivering instructions for today's class. And I am in class, so if you have questions, you'll just contact me through Q&A chat during today's class, okay? We are moving around the Hawaiian Islands due to work, so the new location we have is pretty small, and so there's really not a quiet space for me to work at 4 in the morning with my family. So thank you for your understanding on that one. So anyway, for today's class, before we get started in the actual lesson portion, I wanted to give you a heads up on a really cool art contest that Ms. Temple is putting on for the magazine, for the High Point Virtual Academy of Michigan magazine, or HVAM. It's called the Spring Scripters Airy. And this is a really cool contest, totally optional. You do not have to do this. This is totally for fun and optional for you. But this is a magazine art cover contest. If you are interested in having your artwork featured as the cover for the second annual HVAM publication, you can submit your original artwork between February 16th to March 16th. So you have a whole month to really think about a design and make it your very best to be entered into the magazine cover art contest. The winner's artwork will be featured on this year's Young Authors Club Story Collection. So if you have any questions regarding this, definitely contact Ms. Temple or myself, and we'll be more than happy to answer those questions. If you are interested in participating in this, I sent out a little survey yesterday asking if anybody was interested, because I will offer some kind of extra time between now and March 16th for us to get together and kind of brainstorm ideas. If you want to participate, but you're just kind of having a brain block on what to do for this contest, then we can get together and kind of work through the steps on how to really try to think about a good design. But if you want to just dive into it, if it's sounding really fun, then go for it. Remember to keep it school appropriate, because it will be representing our school, as all of our publications do. And if you're having a hard time thinking of ideas, just think of what would you want to see on the HVAM magazine cover? What would you want to see on that magazine cover? And go from there. And like I said, when we get together, if you're interested in getting together for a little work session, we can talk about some more brainstorming tips there. Moving forward with today's class, so you'll be working in independently today. So as all Art Studio expectations go, make sure to respect yourself and others by being on time, being prepared, taking notes, participating, and staying in class until you are dismissed. Like I said earlier, I am here, even though you're watching this recording. I'm just contacting or communicating through chat, through Q&A and things like that, because I don't want to wake anybody up because it's so early where I'm at during class time. And our living situation is just a little different right now. Just changed yesterday. So for today's class, you'll be working on lesson 1.04 independently. There is an exit ticket. It's a Google form that you'll be filling out when you're done with that lesson. So even if you finish that lesson before you came to class today, just make sure you fill out that exit ticket just so that I know you're getting that information from the lesson. And make sure that's going to be everybody's exit ticket today. However, you might leave early if you already completed the lesson and all you have to do is the exit ticket. So that's fine. So now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be opening up your OLS. You're going to log into your art course, open up lesson 1.04, painting the figure. And then you're going to be reading pages 4 through 7 today. So that's not all the pages in the lesson, I understand that, but 4 through 7 are the pages that we're going to be focusing on. So you can just click that over arrow until you get to page 4 and read up until page 7. And then you'll be completing the exit ticket question using that Google form link that I'll be posting up on the board in class today. Once you're finished with that exit ticket, like I said, you can head out early and enjoy your weekend. And if you are missing class and you're just watching the recording of class, then you'll need to complete lessons or the quiz in lesson 1.04 for your homework. All right, so that sums it up. That's what we'll be doing. I'm going to be posting the link to that exit ticket on the board right now. So look out for that. Thank you. Oh, and if you have any questions, remember, I'm communicating through chat this morning. All right, thank you. Aloha, everyone.